Hey everyone, it's Nancy Ann. Today we have a stitch fix. This is a fan favorite. I asked for Urban Cowgirl and what I meant was Coastal Cowgirl. So we're gonna see what the stylist sent to me because I don't think Urban Cowgirl is a style. Anyway, let's see what happens and get into this. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad you're here. We're gonna have some fun unboxing a stitch fix. This is Ruger down here, my little furry friend, if you are new, and I, of course, am Nancy Ann, and I'm just so glad everyone is here and spending a little bit of time with me to open up my stitch fix. When I requested this box, there we go, open it up all the way, I accidentally asked for Urban Cowgirl style instead of Coastal Cowgirl, so we'll see what the stylist chose for me. I did get a preview. They will email you a preview. You have, I think, up to like 3 days maybe to check that. And there's about 10 items. I did choose one pair of clogs. I have been hoping that they would send me all along, but nothing else I felt like would work for me. And so the stylist got to start over from scratch. If you want to know how Stitch Fix works, go ahead and look in my description box below. I have the Cliff Notes for it down there. But one thing you do need to know if you would like to try a fix for the first time is that if you use my link, you will save $25 off of your first fix. And that also gives me a $25 credit. And I really want to sincerely thank you if you do that. People doing that have really kind of saved my skin financially when it comes to this channel. And I appreciate all of you so much. So here is our prepaid envelope to mail everything back. Shipping both ways, of course, is free. There is a $20 styling fee that gets credited back towards anything you keep. In an envelope, spilled out, are both my invoice, which I will save until the end, and my Oh Hello card that, of course, has styling ideas for the different items, as well as the stylist note. I will read that when I'm off camera. And we have the pair of shoes down there in a little bag. They don't send boxes. I know if they send boxes with the shoes, it would make this box a lot bigger, but I wish they would because I store my shoes in boxes. But that's okay. I still like their shoes because they carry size 11. And here is our bundle, 4 items. It looks like we have 2 black, a pretty green. That's really pretty. And maybe a pair of jeans right there. I want to take a look at the clogs first since I know what those are. Oh, these are cute. Now I was concerned. I have a pair of mules I got from Stitch Fix that I was concerned they would be the exact same shade, but these are not. These are more of a, almost like maybe a cognac color. And now for our bundle. This is cute. This is by Designs History. It is, let me tuck that tag in, sweater material in the middle, and then a woven fabric, looks like a polyester on the sleeve, and then we have that same sweater material at the cuff. Very cute. Oh, what size are we? It's a medium. We'll see. I may have needed that one in a large. I thought I changed my sizes with them. I need to go back and check that. Now we have, what are you? I asked for, okay. Maybe she was trying for the Urban Cowgirl with this, but we're in fall, and here we have a dress. This happened a couple of months ago. I was asking for fall pieces, and they sent me a jumpsuit with spaghetti straps. It was a beautiful jumpsuit, but I knew I wouldn't be able to wear it for fall. And also, it has tiers on the skirt, which is very cute style, but on me, tiers are tricky because sometimes that top tier hits at the widest point on my hips and makes me look wider. Not sure I'm in the market for a spaghetti strap dress right now. And then we have this cute cardigan. Isn't that pretty? Has that cable knit in the front. All right, that's really cute, button-up cardigan. And we should have one more item because Stitch Fix always sends 5 items. And if you keep all 5 items, you save 25% off of your whole purchase. So a lot of times with Stitch Fix, if you keep 4 items, it's less expensive than keeping 5 because you get that discount. And my last box was a 5 for 5. I kept all of them. That was a great box. So this is 151 High Rise Flare. We'll try them on. We'll see how they work. They do have that deconstructed hem. It's not a deconstructed, it's just an unfinished hem at the bottom. That is not always my favorite. All right, so let's get into this and do the try on. On my last Stitch Fix video, I wondered whether my stylist Ray was male or female. I was able to see somewhere on the website when I was selecting items or something that Rayanna is her name. So she's a female, and hello Rayanna, if you subscribe to me. I do believe she watches my videos. So these are the first 3 pieces, and this is how she suggested I put them together for that Urban Cowgirl look. Of course, I gave her the wrong name. I was going for Coastal Cowgirl, but that's okay. She was doing her best with what I told her. So I'm going to start off with the clogs. Now, I truthfully wouldn't put the clogs with these pants simply because the pants are too short, I believe, for clogs. I like clogs with nice long pants, kind of. That's the way they used to do it in the 70s, and for me personally, I think that's how it looks best. But I do very much like these. I'm going to show you the toe. I don't know if you saw that when I pulled them out of the box, but they have a square toe. And I really like that. Rather than the round, which is typical with clogs, they have the little rivets around the size. Good size heel there. And they actually aren't too uncomfortable as clogs go. I've been wanting to try these for quite a while, and I'm really glad that they are in this fix, so I will wear them around the house and see how comfortable they are. I don't expect clogs to be something that I could go like for a long walk in, but I don't want them to hurt my feet if I wear them for a moderate period of time. I'm sure you know what I mean. Okay, now I'm going to switch into these flats down here, which came from my last fix, my 5 for 5, because the style card showed them with flats. So let me switch into that. So here are the pants with flats. I think this is a better look with this length of pants, and that is how they show it on the Oh Hello card, where it has the style suggestions. Both suggestions do have them with flat shoes. So I think this is a better look with these pants. These are a twill fabric. The front pockets are rather high up here. They're like a slit pocket instead of a traditional jean pocket. And these do feel a little bit more like trousers because of that. Then we've got the nice big pockets in the back. A lot of times these twill fabrics, I don't know why, they just seem to widen me. And I'm going to have to look at the footage and decide what I think about these. I'm not really sure that I'm thrilled with them. I'll take a look. Sometimes I look at the footage and I'm like, you were crazy. Those were great pants. And they would be a little bit different. I just don't know how much I would wear this fabric. I think it's so new. It's so new and different to me that I'm not sure I would wear it that often or what I would wear it with in my closet. So this may be one of the things I need to take upstairs and try on and play with other pieces in my wardrobe. All right, now let's move on to this. It's like a sweater type top. It is a thin sweater material here in the middle. Has a high neck, but it's not chokingly so, which can be a problem with me. And I love these very lightweight sleeves. I like the style on that, and I always love a nice long cuff. So I think this top is absolutely adorable. I'll need to take a look at the price at the end. So there we go. That is outfit number 1. I'm gonna come back with these dress with all the straps and this cute little cardigan. With this really cute little dress, I'm wearing my favorite footwear, and that is none. I normally would want to wear this with cowboy boots, ideally, and also it would play into that Coastal Cowgirl look that I like so much, but the only ones that I have are burgundy, and those might very well work with this, except that I'm going to be putting on a green sweater in a minute, and that look isn't going to hold. So I just decided to go barefoot right now, and we'll just appreciate the dress all by itself. I really do like this. It's a thin rib knit fabric, but it's not t-shirt thin. It does have just a little tiny bit of warmth and softness to it. Nice and long, comes really to the bottom part of the calf. I'll show you the back. Has this keyhole opening. I found it a little curious. So the straps here go through, the one goes through both sides, threads through both sides, and then you tie somewhere in this direction. And I decided to tie it in front because I thought it might visually widen the top of me a little bit, which would help balance me with my hips on the bottom, which are unfortunately drawn more attention to. I know it's harder to see in the camera, but in person you can see that top tier is hitting me exactly at the widest place in my hips. And the last thing I need to be doing is drawing a line right across there. Having said all that, this is a really, really cute little dress. A little summery for right now, I think, but with a pair of tights and a pair of boots and then a nice warm wrap, It could work. I can see that. And then it would carry me all the way through, you know, all 4 seasons. So now we're going to try this sweater on. This is by the brand Winter, W-Y-N-T-E-R. I've never heard of it before. This is feeling a little bit on the lightweight side. So let's see how it looks on. I love the color. I don't have anything in this particular shade of green. What do you think? It's like a jewel tone green, and jewel tones, my coloring tends to do pretty well. I'm just taking a glance over so I can look at, make sure I'm getting my buttons all lined up there. This is really cute. If I was going to wear it with a dress, it would look better undone, but I wanted to make sure. Oh gosh, I like this. I like the sleeve length on this too. The sleeve also has that cable knit all the way down and a nice wide ribbing there on the cuff. Very cute. Let me show you the back. All right, that's all 5 items. I'm going to change out of these and pull in close, and we'll do a wrap up and cover some prices. Popping in real quick before the wrap up, I went ahead out of curiosity and tried the clogs and the cardigan on with the outfit that I was wearing at the intro. And I really like these 2 pieces dressed like this, particularly on me. So I just wanted to share with you guys how the cardigan looks with a more casual outfit than the dress, and then how these clogs look with a pair of blue jeans. But this is how I would probably style these 2 pieces. Okay, now we're gonna get into some prices and a wrap up. Are you ready to look at some prices? I am curious what they might be asking for these items. I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly on the website, the clogs are $54. So these I would probably keep as long as they're comfortable when I wear them around, and I really am kind of leaning in towards this cardigan. But let's see what our prices are. Alrighty. First of all, we have the Nia Nelina heel. That's this one, Nelina. It is brown, size 11, $41.97. I'm thinking these might have gone on sale because I'm pretty good at remembering prices, and their prices normally end in an even dollar amount, so that 97 cents tips me off that these might be on sale. So hopefully those are staying if they're comfortable. I really like them. We have the 151 Bianca high rise raw hem flare pant in navy, size 12, $48. I'm not sure how I feel about these. I'm going to take a look at the footage. This twill fabric is throwing me. I don't have any pants in this. Typically in the past, they haven't been the most flattering thing. I'm not sure how it would work with things in my wardrobe, so I would need to check that out too. But please let me know what you think about these. I do love that flare at the bottom. Then we've got the Whitney knit tiered keyhole back midi dress. This is such a cute dress, and I understand why she sent it. Would have worked great for Coastal Cowgirl, but I'm really not going to wear a dress with all these straps until the spring, and I didn't like where the that top tier hit me in the hips, so that one's gonna go back. Then we've got the Design History Bria woven sleeve sweater in black, size medium, $78. Most expensive item in the box. Very cute. There's not one thing I don't like about this sweater. I thought it was really flattering. I love the style. It's a little bit different. And these sheer sleeves are not only cute, but they would slide up underneath jackets and coats great, which often is a problem with sweaters. However, I have so many sweaters and they're all cute, and I just think it needs to go back just because I don't think I would get to wear that beautiful sweater that often with the selection that I have currently. And that leaves the Winter Jayella V-neck cropped cardigan in dark green, size medium. This one is $44. That's a really good price. I'm inclined to want to keep this too. I would wear it quite a bit, so. Got some considering to do. I don't know if I want to keep both pieces or just one, so please tell me what you think. Clogs, cardigan, both? I would really appreciate your input. The stylist pick subtotal is $269.97. The buy all discount of 25% is $67.49. So to keep everything with the discount would be $202.48. Of course, your styling fee of $20 would be credited back towards that, and you would be pay the remainder plus tax. That is it. That is my Stitch Fix for you for the month of October. Thank you so very much for spending some time with me to take a look at these pieces. Please do comment down in the comment section. I absolutely love interacting with you, and we will see you on the next video. Bye-bye, and be blessed. Test. Okay, sound. Sound. Am I too... I'm going to have to lower the camera. I shrunk. Oh, no, it's okay. I think we're all right. All right. About when I wear a belt, but I think I could successfully wear a belt. Yeah, I'm just blabbering. Let's start over again. Okay, Ruger is getting up and shaking and scratching. Well, Ruger and I, this is my dog Ruger. Nope, I'm going to start that again. Well, let's get into these price. Nope, my words didn't come out right.